Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, located at 580 Portland Street, Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the Sport package, so you've got your side step here, fully automatic passenger and driver seats with lumbar support, adjustable pedals. Stepping on into the truck, you've got your 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low settings, as well as your trailer backup and disconnect. Go ahead and turn the key over to the accessory position. Up here you've got your sunroof controls, panoramic sunroof just over here, different drive modes on the shifter here, heated passenger and driver seats, little light down there with your 2 USB outputs. Very nice inside here. You've got your mirror, your window back there, your passenger window, fully automatic. Onto the back side of this F-150 is your Sport sticker right there. Rear tailgate with your backup camera and a rear light. Spare tire, off-road suspension. Put the tailgate down. Tailgate step built-in linen box with some tow hooks as well. The back seat of this F-150 here, you've got your cup holders and compartments and your passenger doors. Rear storage in the back seats, 2 charger outlets, as well as your controlled fans. 3-seater in the back. These seats do go up for extra storage. Lots of space back here. The sunroof makes it feel really roomy. Lots of footrest just down here. And onto the front, you've got your 20-inch tires over here on Wranglers. Your front grille, blacked out. Big Ford badge here, tow hooks, fog lights, LED headlights, and tail lights as well. Come on over to 580 Portland Street. Talk to one of our sales consultants here about getting into this gorgeous F-150.